One thing also we need to accomplish is basically when the user is the owner of this video should be able to delete it, but if someone's trying to browse it and try to access something like this delete button, then it should prevent it. We have seen such thing previously when we did the channel. If we go to the channel, we have created one policy. Under the policies here, we call it channel policy, and we have created an update. We will do something similar to this, but we call it video channel. So let's go to the command line and then create one policy, PHP artisan policy, or make policy, and then we call video policy. So once that's created, we should be seeing it here. And similar to this one, we can create one function. I will copy this one and I'll go to this class and create. This will be delete, of course, and we're gonna call the user, but I want the video here because I will do the video check here, and then I'll do my checks here. Basically it will be the user ID, then the user ID should equal to the video. I know there is a relationship, and then I'll call user ID. So if the user ID of this channel, of this video, equal to the user ID, then I should be allowing delete. And don't forget that we need to add this one to auth service provider also, as we did before. So I'll copy this one, and then this should be video. I'll add this class, and this will be video channel, or it should be video policy, video policy. And once that's added, then we should be fine. Then one last thing, inside the class of all videos, we need to have some traits called this traits, I believe it is called authorization, or authorizes requests, and then we need to add something here to check if user is allowed to delete the video. Then I'm going to do this authorize this to authorize, then we say delete, and then we send the video. So everything is fine. I should be able to delete it if I'm the owner. Let me go and refresh, and let me delete this video. So I was able to delete it. So now it's quite tricky to test it here with this URL, which is basically if I go and log out and register with another user. I have created another user now, because our routing, it's working in such a way that it shows only my videos. So I cannot, for example, say this channel and then the channel name here, and I should be able to see it. So in order to do that, we will do some modification on our web. So let's go to our web, and then let's maybe send here channel. Can say channel. Of course, we need to go to the app also, to app.layout, and also do some modification here on this route. Otherwise it will not work. First of all, I want this to show only if I am authenticated. So I'll use the auth facade and auth, and also I will send a channel here. So I'll say video and then channel, then I'm going to send it as auth user, and then say go channel. See if it's working this way. So there is a problem here. 1 second, let me go home, and then there's a problem. Okay, I think here we should use this function from user. Refresh it, and then if you hover, I can go to this channel. This let me go to the other user, which has more videos, or 3 videos, or 1 video now after we delete 2 videos. Okay, so when I view the videos here now, I'm able to see my video. So with using this, of course, what we call it, the course name. So if I'm going and say, let me go and open another window which will allow me to log in with this YouTube clone with the other user. Okay, and see if I'm able to browse this. Okay, so this will be his videos, and then if I change the channel name to this channel, so still I'm not able to see it, because if we go to the code and see how this works, basically inside the class all videos, so we depend basically on this way. We're not depending on anything coming from the channel. So we can do one thing just to see if we can say this is public, call it channel, and then read that channel. So we'll do also, I don't have mount function here, so I'm saying mount. Let me create mount, and I will get the channel from the query. So this will be channel, and then I'm going to set this channel as we see usually, this channel equal channel. So I'm getting this now from the link, and then I'm going to call this channel instead of getting the user channel. So let me remove everything here and say this channel videos, and then paginate. Let's see if it will work. And on the delete, we already bringing this one, should not be impacted. So let me go and refresh here. See, I can see this one, even I'm not owner, and I can see both. So let's try the delete. So now that this one is working fine, the security is working fine. The next step, we could improve this, that if I'm not the owner of this, I should be able also to hide the edit and the delete. So of course there are multiple ways to do that. So let's do something here. I am in all videos view, and I want to hide this one if I am not the owner. So maybe we can do something like if this authenticated user, maybe we add function called owns, and then I'm going to submit the video. If he's owning that, then I should be able to view, but of course there is no on. So if I go now and refresh here, of course there will be that the owns is not there. So let me go to the user model, and then let's add one function here called owns, and then I'm going to accept the video here, video, and do retain something, retain this ID of this user equal video that I'm receiving, then channel, access the channel, and user ID, because I know there is a relationship between the video and the user, and I can get the user. If I am the user for this channel, then I'm the owner of this video, and this will return true. So let me go and refresh now. See, because I'm not the owner, then I'm not able to see this one, and if I go to the owner, I am the owner, I'm able to see it. So I think now the deletion and security for deletion is done very well, so we can move ahead.